Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable 5 GHz Wi-Fi on laptop and Windows 11. So if vote a new dual band router that has a 5 GHz radio, or it's your first time voting your router into 5 GHz but your computer does not see the 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and then I'll show you how to fix it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first thing I suggest is to check your network adapter capability. Kung paano ba natin yan gawin? So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-type yung command keyword na NATSH space WLEN space show space drivers. Ayan. So kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na NATSH space WLEN space SHOW space DRIBERS para makita natin kung capable ito ng 5 GHz, and then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito yung details ng ating Wi-Fi. Alright? So, if it say that the network adapter supports 802.11g and 802.11n network modes, it means that the laptop has 2.4 GHz network capability only. And then, if it say that the adapter supports 802.11a, 802.11g, 802.11n, and 802.11ec network modes, it means that the computer has 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz network capability. Okay, so dito lang sa ating radio type supported, makikita mo na dito na supported talaga siya ng 5 GHz. Alright, kung paano ba natin to enable, and then close lang natin tong CMD. And dito lang sa start menu, so right click ka lang and select mo lang dito yung device manager. And dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network adapter. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung ating Wi-Fi adapter. So select mo lang yan and right click and select mo lang dito yung properties. So dito sa ating Wi-Fi properties, ang next step ay dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung advanced. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa property at dito lang sa value ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung dual band para ma-enable natin. Okay? So makikita mo na dito yung lahat ng klase ng band. Meron ditong 5 GHz, 2.4, and dual band. Ibig sabihin both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. And then select mo lang dito mga kaibigan. And select lang natin yan, and then click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to enable 5 GHz Wi-Fi on laptop in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.